Welcome back in this video. In the previous video, I have mentioned about the bacterial growth media that can be divided majorly in three different types based on the three major categories. One is chemical composition, second one is the physical nature of the media, and third one is the function of the media, for what purpose the media is used. Now, the first one is chemical composition. Okay. On the basis of this chemical composition, the media is subdivided into two types. One is defined media, or also known as synthetic media, and another one is complex media. Okay. So on the basis of this category, which is the first category to differentiate between the media, and this is the basic category, the media that can be subdivided into two groups. One is defined media or synthetic media, and another one is complex media. Now, in case of defined media, defined means which can be defined, or about which everything is known. We have all the knowledge about everything of that particular object. That is the definition. The definition means when you define something and knows it really well, that is known as defined media. So defined media means all the constituents or the chemicals are known. These chemicals are already known. Okay. So in this case of the defined media, the chemicals are already known for us. That is why it is known as defined media or synthetic media. Why? Because we already know about the chemical constituents which are present really well. That is why we can also made it on our own. That is why it is known as defined media or synthetic media, which can be made. It is not natural media. It is man-made. And we know everything about the media. What is the pH of the media? How much agar we should add? What are the chemical constituents? What are the nitrogen source? What are the sugar constituents, etc. is known. That is called, or that is known as defined media. One example of this defined media is nutrient broth. It's a very, very common media for microbiology. So nutrient broth is basically a defined media. Now, I'll come to the second type, that is complex media. The complex media, in case of the complex media, all the chemical constituents are not known to us. There are some chemicals or some constituents are not known to us. This is known as complex media. And in case of complex media, as there are many different types of chemicals are present in the media, along with the sugar constituents, nitrogen source, carbon source, etc. There are other minerals or other specific types or different types of chemicals present. So in one media, as there are various types of chemicals are present, that may be unknown to us, but that is also a rich media, and that can meet all the nutritional requirements of many different types of bacteria. That is why it is very advantageous, the complex media. We require the defined media for sure, but complex media is a very important media, as it can meet the nutrient requirements of many different types of microorganisms, if we want to isolate them from different type of natural sources, from air, from soil, or from water, like that. So these are two types of media which is actually divided on the basis of the chemical composition, what kind of a chemical are present in the media. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.